Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I actually picked up something from Hermès, so if you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Freya and I do fashion and luxury content here on YouTube. So if that's your cup of tea, then consider subscribing down below. It's free and it really helps me out. And today I have a quick and nice, easy unboxing for you guys and I'm really excited for this one. So if you're interested in what I got, then stay tuned. Hi guys, so I actually picked up something from Hermès. So you can see the little box, and maybe from the box you can already see, like I got this bag as well, but maybe from the box you can already see that this item has been opened, because I actually got it from a friend. She picked up this item, or these items, and they were actually too small, so you guys can already know that it's shoes, and she wore them once and then kind of like wanted to sell them, and I actually got, so let's see, these are the dust bags, so 2 dust bags, meaning 2 shoes, and I actually got the Oran Sandals in the color tan, and I'm really excited about these. So like I said, they have been worn once, so let's get the second one. They're in a size 39 and they are obviously in the color gold. I'm gonna come closer a little bit so you guys can see. So those are them. So you can see they're like fairly new, but from the back side you can see that they're a little worn. But she has only worn them for like, I guess like 2 hours maximum. And those are them. They have this little Hermès stamp here, and from like all the sides you can see that they're perfect. This was kind of spontaneous. I have a friend and she had these, like her husband gifted them to her in January, and she wasn't pregnant, and she wore them once and then she stored them away. She noticed that they were kind of small for her, and because her feet, probably because she's pregnant, widened a little bit, and then she, like her feet were hurting really badly, so she like took them off, and then she went into Hermès, and because she had already worn them, and yeah, there was nothing really they could do, especially because she purchased them back in January. So back in January they were 510 euros. I do have the receipt, but like the online receipt, so 510 euros, and now they retail for 565 euros, so a 55 euro increase. In US it's $700 at the moment. The problem with these shoes is basically that you cannot get them during the summer in like sizes, I would say 37 to like 41, because they're always sold out, especially in the like in the gold color. This is called gold, and the tan, and this is probably the most popular, I would say. And yeah, so she got her hands on the 39 and a half, and then she was willing to sell these. And because she knew that I wanted them, she sold them to me for 500 euros, which was super nice of her, because she said like she didn't want to make profit or anything with them, but yeah, but she said she wanted to sell them on eBay, and people offered like 650 euros for them, because they were quite hard to get during the summer. So I'm super thankful, and it was super nice of her. So anyways, so these are the Oran Sandals, and I actually never had them on my radar. But yeah, I have a friend, she has 2 pairs of these, one in a tan and one in a beautiful lilac color, and she raves about them all the time, and she knows like how much I love luxury. And you guys know that I do have my Chloe sandals, like the woody sandals in 2 colors, and I love wearing them so much, and I've worn them for 3 years, and I wear them like almost like probably once a week or twice a week, and they're super versatile, and I just love them, how they elevate an outfit. And this is kind of what they probably will do as well, because my favorite bag for the summer is the Nano Speedy. Like I wear this bag all the time, and I feel like this is such a perfect combo together with like any dress. Like I religiously wear dresses for the summertime, and I thought these would be perfect, especially for this price. Like, I couldn't say no. And yeah, I hope they're comfortable. I will do like a review once I've worn them for a couple of weeks and kind of broken them in, but yeah, they're really pristine. And you guys, like the stitching, you see the stitching, it's so perfect. Like, I'm so amazed with like how good the quality is. I hope you guys can see this, otherwise I will like lay over something, but I'm really impressed. And they do have a little bit of cushioning here. I guess that's always subjective, but my friend said that they're actually really comfortable, and I'm super excited about these. I think these are a great addition, like a great staple, and I hope to have them for a really long time. They're calf leather, so they're probably quite bendable, which is also really good. And yeah, so I got them in a size 39, my regular size. I would say they're probably true to size, or maybe like size of half a size. But my friend said that half sizing is really hard to get. And online, they're always like sold out. Like, you would have to get them in the winter time, because in the summertime, they're always sold out. I don't know how it is in other countries, but I feel like Germany is always good with like stock of Hermès in general, like in contrast to other countries like the US and Australia and countries like that. I feel like it's much harder to get these, but these ones are in stock most of the time in winter, and in the store, of course, you can incline as well. But yeah, I love them. Tell me, guys, if you have them too, and if you like them. I mean, since I got them for 500 euros now, which is basically like a steal, I knew I wouldn't get them like anymore for that price ever again, so I had to kind of took the plunge. And especially because on my wish list I also have the Hermès like little belt that I want in gold and black, which would be perfect with this one as well. So yeah, I'm kind of like, I don't know, this was the perfect opportunity. Like, they weren't on top of my wish list, but I always had them in the back of my mind, and like I said, it was a great opportunity, so I thought, why not pick them up? So tell me, guys, what do you think down below, if you think it was a good purchase. I'm really excited to hear from you. And yes, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you guys for my next one. Bye, guys.